I'm Sally Farrow. I'm the General Manager of Paramobility. Paramobility is an Australian-made, proudly Australian-made, Australian manufacturer of assistive technology who services the health and hospital, disability and rehab sectors. Paramobility enables people's lives by providing custom-made assistive technology. So what we're trying to do is enable their independence, their mobility, and of course make them more inclusive in their community. When we first took over the business a few years ago, we found a drawer full of business cards. We really had a lot of passion and some amazing products, but really we had no way to continue to build rapport and have a good relationship with our customers. That was really the issue. So we obviously needed to find somewhere to put all that data. I guess the other key thing for us with the system was to be able to work out who those ideal customers are, and also to be able to really service our existing customers well. We wanted to have a single customer view. We wanted to have a source of truth, and having a system like Salesforce has enabled that for us. For us, it's really affected us that we can have real-time communication with our teams and we can have real-time customer insights. Having our sales team follow up our customers one day, and if they're not aware that our customer service team spoke to them the day before, then it's going to be very difficult to manage that customer experience. We've seen huge conversion rate changes from 27% through to 40%. So Salesforce Mobile for us really is important. We have technicians in the field. We have a lot of people that aren't based in our office. We have people at trade shows, so we need to be available. We need to have our data entered wherever we are. The last year has been incredible. We've grown 10%, we've grown 30% just in the last 6 months, so we're on quite a growth trajectory. Our next year's growth targets are 53%. And where we see ourselves in 5 years really is being able to influence not only in Australia and New Zealand, but into those international markets.